Hi there, I'm Andrew with IPD, and today we're going to be doing a pollen filter installation on this P2 V70R. What a pollen filter does is keep anything from mold spores and air contaminants from entering the cabin of the car. The P2 models, as shown behind me here, have got two different filters that were available. One was an 1.5 inch thick filter that was a charcoal impregnated filter. The other one was an 1 inch thick paper filter. The charcoal filter came with cars with an intake air quality system that basically automatically shuts the recirculating door when it senses smog or external contaminants. Cars without this system do not do this. Typically, the interval for changing a pollen air filter or cabin air filter would be about 15,000 miles. So starting off with the installation on P2 models, we're going to start by removing the side kick panel on the center console. There's one plastic screw lock over here that can actually be turned to the left and then pulled back. Simply go ahead and slide the plastic backwards and the whole kick panel should remove. After removing the side kick panel on the center console, we're going to go ahead and remove this lower foot bolster that's covering the actual air box for the pollen filter. There's going to be two different screws, a Torx 25 here and a Torx 25 here. We're going to go ahead and remove that panel and pull it down. After we've removed that kick panel, we're going to go right underneath here and there's going to be 4 Torx bolts or screws. Basically, we're going to remove these to expose the cabin air filter. If you have purchased a 1 inch thick filter, use slot 1. If you have purchased a 1.5 inch thick filter, use slot 2. On vehicles that were not originally equipped with a 1.5 inch thick filter and would like to use one, simply break off the plastic tabs circled in the picture with a pair of pliers. Either way, a 1 inch or a 1.5 inch filter will work for your application. It is not recommended to run 2 filters together due to the stress placed on the blower motor. Here with the P2 cabin filter, you'll notice that on the sides of it, there are perforated sections. So this one's divided into thirds. Generally, it makes it a lot easier to break these little perforations like so. This allows you to actually go past the floorboard and maneuver the pollen filter up into the airbox housing. Alright, now that we've completed the installation on our P2 V70R here, we took the old filter, which was the 1.5 inch thick charcoal impregnated filter, and replaced it with the same. This one is the 1 inch thick paper filter that we also offer. And if you've got any questions in regards to ordering or what filter you have in your car, go ahead and give us a call and we can give you some more assistance with that.